Dear students, it is the second video for the week 11, lesson 21, and we are discussing food and agriculture in Pakistan. In the first video, we came to know about the importance of the food as the major source of energy and existence for all living things, especially for the human beings. The world in the present hour is facing a huge challenge of the food shortage in the different parts of the world. And the most suffering areas include the African nations, some nations in Asia, and some of the Latin American countries. For the major causes, I express increasing population, less arable lands, pandemics, and various others. Fortunately, Pakistan is quite a blessed country which has the all means to meet the challenge of the food, and that is agriculture. The students, through agriculture, Pakistan has met and can meet the challenge of diet, like we produce wheat, uh, different kind of cereals, barley, maize, which are the major ingredient in our food. Then we produce different kind of fruits like apple, mango, banana, and different others. Similarly, Pakistan has a very much growing and potential uh, livestock sector. Livestock is raising of cattle like sheep, goats, buffaloes, cows. These animals are a great source of proteins and energy, plus the production like cotton and the skin of the animals is a source of leather manufacturing and garments. So thus it provides a huge benefit to the people affiliated to the agriculture. Secondly, the users or the consumers within the country, and they also help out the industry by providing the raw material. Let's have a look on uh, the agriculture phenomena in Pakistan. Agriculture is one of the most crucial and the fundamental part of Pakistan economy. Agriculture contributes to the gross domestic product, I mean the GDP of the country is 21% with annual growth of 2.7%. Interestingly, agriculture provides employment opportunities for 44% of the labor force, and 62% of the rural population depends on the agriculture for the livelihood. Well, agriculture has so many benefits, like food security, poverty reduction, industrial revolution, and economic growth. Well, these are the major benefits that uh, Pakistan has. Now we look at that some of the demographics of the Pakistan agriculture, and you know this that agriculture is a highly dynamic field. There are so many factors involved. For example, uh, the basic requirements include agriable lands, proper environment, seasons, skilled people, standard beach, or we can say the kernel, and plus the means a solid, cheap uh, water or irrigation system. Fortunately, Pakistan has all these things. Fine. Uh, Say that the total area of Pakistan is 7 lakh 96,095 square kilometers. About 22 million square kilometers are cultivated and 8.3 square kilometers are non cultivated. Well, Pakistan has also uh, climate for uh, climate variations. Actually, uh, to understand the agriculture in Pakistan, we have to first understand the land variety in Pakistan. Clear? Means, other words, the topography of Pakistan. Thereby, the students have been given in the very first lecture, in the first class, we have explained the topography of Pakistan. Clear? Let's have a short look on it. Climate of Pakistan is really dynamic and it helps producing different kind of flora and fauna, mean nabatat, havanat, clear, mean the wildlife. Uh, it can be divided into certain phases, parts, mean number one, the high altitude areas, the highest mountains of the world like Himalayas, Karakoram, Pir Panjal, fine. These are the highest mountains. They are snow capped mountains. They are glaciers, meadows, rivers, springs. I mean a lot. These areas are the say uh, water reserves for Pakistan. Clear? Not just for Pakistan, also for India and as well as for China. And these areas uh, have plenty of wildlife, different kind of herbs. They have there are pastures, fruits, and more others. Then, in the foot of these areas are the fertile plains, that is Indus River or Indus Basin and the tributaries like the Indus River, River Chenab, Jhelum, and uh, other little rivers that flow into the mainlands of Punjab, KPK, and Sindh. Fine. These areas are world's best fertile areas. Here exist the a very in- developed uh, irrigation system by the designed by the British. And then the Potowar regions, these regions, they mean plateau. These regions also semi-arid, but here is plenty of wildlife. There are different kind of seasonal crops. Fine, and likewise, the desert of Pakistan, like Roi, Thar, and some desert in Sindh. These deserts provide are the house of a variety of wildlife, culture, and there are certain fields which are certain crops which are specified for these areas, and also in the semi arid areas of Punjab, like Rahim Yar Khan, Bahawalpur, Muzaffargarh, Multan. Here, the plenty of fruit plus other cereals are produced. Balochistan, uh, although is full of minerals, yet there are certain areas where the cultivation is excellent, and they also produce the variety of dry fruit. And similarly, a coastline of Pakistan almost around 800 kilometers that is filled with the seafood, and the fisheries industry is a great source of food as well as income for Pakistan. So, in short, having a look on the land variety and the seasons, that here uh, winter is longer season than summer, spring, autumn, and the monsoon season. Fine. So these seasons are linked with various crops. For example, some crops uh, start sowing in the winter, and they are harvested in the summer, like wheat. Fine. So, in short, Pakistan, Alhamdulillah, has been blessed with variety of the land which help us uh, produce the different kind of uh, food, not just for us but for the other nations. The only thing we need is to meet the present challenges and increase our uh, production plus selling them in the proper markets. Thank you very much.